This is one of the easiest breakfast dishes you can make. Steak and eggs. Don't fuck it up. I'm extra fucking pissed today. Do you know why? No, I'm asking you. Do you know why? Because I don't. Grab your steak. Salt. Both fucking sides. Do all of this shit first so when you're cooking, it's nice and smooth. Dice 1 tomato. Slice an onion. 3 cloves of garlic and slice it super fucking thin. Why did the chicken cross the road? Who fucking cares? Grab your fucking pan and add some high smoke point oil. I'm using avocado oil. How long do I cook my steak for? Here's a fucking little trick for ya. Grab your hand nice and loose. You're gonna barely touch your fingers. This is gonna be rare. This is medium rare. This is medium well. This is fucking well done. If you like your steak well done, grab this finger and chop it the fuck off. Get your pan ripping hot. Move your steak around to get a better sear. Once your steak is done cooking, you're gonna set it aside and you're gonna dump all this hot oil straight into your sink. I'm joking. Same pan. Onions go in. Tomatoes. A knob of butter. Salt. Then your garlic. Move this to one side. A little knob of butter. That's a lot of butter. Shut the fuck up. Crack 2 eggs. Slice your fucking steak. I should become a fucking chef. Salt your fucking eggs. You're gonna plate just like fucking this. Chives on top. Salt the fucking steak. That's how you make steak and fucking eggs.